Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10x Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings, scroll down and choose home screen, lock screen and always on display. Now tap on home screen mode, scroll down and choose simple mode. Select apply, tap on switch in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to turn it off, you need to go back into settings and tap on exit simple mode. Then select exit over here. And that's all. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!